Now, till now, what we discussed? First, entry control and exit control, right? Entry control in entry control for loop and while loop. Exit control do while, right? So this one we tried and we just ran some loops, right? So now let's mostly we'll concentrate on for loop only, 99%, right? So because we are covering almost all the scenarios by using for loop. If you want, we can go with other loops also, but I want you to practice on them. So most of the cases, my 99% I will go with the for loop. Okay. So now let's play with the for loop for few values. Okay. So now. Okay. So now what I want to do is like, I just want to print even numbers. I just want to print. What is the meaning of even numbers? Multiples of 2 is called even numbers, right? So how I can do that? Can anyone guide me by using for loop?
By implementing 2 in for loop,
tell me the code. You can see my screen?
No.
Let me share my screen. Okay, so how I can do? I want to print even numbers. My challenge is I want to right, then tell me. For zero? Even number is 0? No, right? I is equal to okay. I
plus. We can do
I plus plus. No?
value back.
Huh?
Sir,
Bracket.
I plus is equal to 2, sir.
Very good. I plus is equal to 2. Then this out. I. Let's go with the 100 values. Okay, because I want to see more values, right? So now if I'm running, what will get printed? 2, 4, 6, 8 till which level?
98.
Oi. Till
98.
98 because less than
Not equal.
100, right? Not equal to, I have not put equal to, right? So this one is one way, right? So I agree with the Huzaifa, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, is there any other way? Umar is saying other way also there. So can you guide me how we can do?
We have to I plus.
Okay.
Increment.
I plus plus.
Right.
That's
we said.
Okay. Okay.
After condition, we have to write condition. If module I module 2 is equal to 0.
Okay. You're saying like this.
It's
Is equal to 0. This one you're saying?
Yeah.
This one is Umar is telling. Okay. So is there any other way? I am thinking some other way. If someone is telling any other way, then I haven't used it, right? So this one is, I don't prefer this as of now. So any other way? Sana? See, one problem can be solved in hundreds of types. Okay. The best way we need to choose, but here I don't want best way also. Just any other way we can do that. Quickly. बोलो भाई. That already there, right? Increment we did. I plus is equal to 2 is the way, right? Yeah. Multiply of 2, right? So what I will do is I will write here I into 2 is less than or equal to 100, right? So I'll start with 1. I'll write this out. Does it work? It will work or not? Right? There are many other ways. I'm not saying it's correct, it's good or it's bad. Okay. So just try what alternates we can use, right? So now let me go back to my initial version of the code, right? Okay. So now, can anyone tell me how I can print odd numbers?
Sir, if we take I is equal to 1.
That's what the answer. You also told?
Yeah.
I should be started from 1. That's it, right? So it will automatically become odd numbers, right? So now let's go with one operator which Umar used, right? So modulus. What is that modulus? Let's discuss it. Then we'll go further. What we can play with it. Okay. So this special operator is called modulus operator, right? It's called percentage also, right? So do you know what is this operator? How many are aware of this modulus operator? What is the purpose of it? Reminder. What is the meaning of reminder? What is reminder? Huh? Last value. What is the meaning of last value? Hello? Aslam. Lobby me. I don't see you in lobby. Okay. No one is there in lobby, right? Okay. So now, what is a reminder? I will show you. Right? For example, let me take pencil, right? 5, right? Is you know this way? 2, right? 2 2 ja 4. So this one is the remainder. तेलुगु में क्या बोलते हैं? तेलुगु मीडियम कौन में नहीं है? हाँ? नांदा. ओके. क्या है? इसे क्या बोलते हैं तेलुगु में? शेषम. Remainder, right? So what is this? What is this? Huh? Huh? बोलो भाई. I will send to you again little angles. You want some good school? I will suggest that one also. Okay. Okay, let's go with the session as of now. So this one is the value which we will get when we are using modulus operator. Okay. So for example, if I want to do the same thing in Java, so how I need to do is I need to write like x is equal to 5 modulus 2. Right? So then what x will give me? It will give me so we'll get a 1. It's a it will give me remainder, right? So the same thing which he's saying previously, if I'm dividing by 2, if I'm getting remainder as 0, what does it mean? It's an even number because it's exactly dividing that particular number, right? So you understand this concept, right? Now why that modulus will helpful. So now let's try some other numbers also. Okay. What is the value of x? You're not sure? कितना जल्दी बोला रे भाई. अब रिवर्स कराते इसे. सही भाई. तुम सुनील सर को बोल तुम बात जाओ अगर तुम तो I will speak with him. इनको गाड़ा तो हम तो बोलते हैं 0 चलो. देओ भाई खर्चा नहीं देओ भाई इनको. देओ. चुप पढ़ना. आवाज आना कान में सुने आना मुझे. क्या भाई मैक्स में रहे तो कैसा भाई? बोला उमर. हाँ? He is right, right? 6 से डिवाइड होता असल है. 600 डाल को रिमाइंडर 2 डालना पड़ता. क्या? Remainder always will come in here, right? For decimal points, always it will go 0, right? If you are able to divide with the decimal points, what will happen? Right? Yes or no? So if I'm adding like this, so I'm planning to do in next session, I will have one 10th class teacher also here who will teach you max. Max of see, based on some demand I'm showing, okay? Okay, consider like this one is 6, this one is 2. Right? This one is 2, this one is 6. 6 1 is 6 jata. नहीं क्या लिखना 6 0 जा 0. 2 में से 0 गया तो भाई 2 में से 0 गया तो 2. What is the session? Okay, तभी जरूरत नहीं. Divide हुआ नहीं तो क्या आता कि session बता दो ना. The value directly will go to this value will directly go to session. Okay, now let's again ask same question. Okay. So tell me what is the value of this? Learn, okay, confirm, huh? We'll send you, huh? So this one remainder is coming, then you are not able to divide it actually. The purpose of this main modulus which you are using is if you are sharing it, you cannot able to share it. Okay, that is the main thing. If I'm sharing it, what remained, right? So now let's go back and try with the sum of the values with modulus. Okay, so this modulus is very important, especially when you are going with the calculation when you are planning to print odd numbers or even numbers, right? Especially like prime number. And how many knows prime number?
1, 3, 5, 7, 13, 19.
What is prime number? मारो भाई मारो. वो नहीं अच्छा कोई अच्छा मानने वाले बैठना भाई इनके सामने. हाँ? देखो इनको भी दो. क्या खामोश है? बोले दयाल ना. Full definition. Who will tell me the definition of prime numbers? भाई वो अच्छा बोलता है.
Sir, the number divided by 1 and then the number itself is called prime number, sir.
The number which can divided by 1 and by itself is called?
Yes, sir. Prime number.
Definition is wrong. Still, she is missing one point. हाँ क्या भाई भाई कुछ ऐसे एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेक्ट करा तुम्हें so something else a number what she is saying is correct me if I am wrong so a number which can divided by 1 and by itself is the prime number your number will get divided by that right yes or no
Which is not divisible by five.
उनको देखो
Sir, the num it
only two हाँ क्या है ना 1 by itself it should not have any other
Number. Like 2, 3.
it should not divide by
any other number.
any other number only two क्या बोलते हैं सर ये numbers को 1 by itself what these two divisors का एक बोलते हैं ना भाई क्या बोलते हैं
Factors.
factors कौन है नाम बोलो
Fazlu sir.
Fazlu very good Fazlu why you are not telling the definitions okay so if you are saying number by itself and 1 means your number will happen right you take 5 it will also divide by 5 right it will divide by 1 right but it should not have any other factor right that's the thing so for example let's go with max again okay yeah bhai max class I am having 13 and I want to know whether it is a prime number or not so what I need to do so how will I identify see you are saying brain right so I don't know it is a small number consider like oh, I'm having 143 how you do that how you identify whether 140 just consider a small thing because I know your max capability now so I don't want to test it again okay so
sir by using LCM method, sir.
LCM tell me how I can do see girls are good how I can do
So
tell me
13 is divided by only 13.
that I know ma but how I can prove the system that this 13 is a prime number how we need to do manually I've given to you 143 just I'm giving example 13 because you can easily 1 2 3 4 you can check right so if I'm saying 143 is a prime number right or not how will do huh tell me what you will do I'm not listening your words don't speak to yourself okay your voice should be like me just fast बोलो हम लोग क्लास एक्स्ट्रा बोलता हूँ बच्चे सो जाते थे वहाँ ऑनलाइन वाले see saying LCM I don't want but simple way how we can do
Sir, if we take I is equal to 0 and we do modulus.
I don't want Java
and-
code I just want max if I'm saying this 13 how I can prove that this is a prime number then just with 2 it's not divisible then exactly then 3 I will try then I will 4 then I will 5 right till what I need to do 13 always divide right 12 till 12 I should not try 1 also why 1 and 13 I know that anyhow it will work right only I want 2 to 13 2 to 13 required just think 2 to 13 is required till what I need it huh 2 to 12 required sure बोलो भाई अच्छे आंसर बोले इस्लाम को ऑफलाइन वाले को गिफ्ट ऑनलाइन वाले को नहीं think
Not divisible by 2, not.
very good this is one of the point but this is third point first tell me no? Simple, right?
Not
Huh? Hmm?
even if it's not the right number.
Very good 1 point okay You are giving 1 point, he is giving 1 point. Just quickly. See, after 6, 7 into 2, how much? 14. It's greater than 13. Do I need to repeat till that? If I'm doing till 6, it's enough or not? Enough. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because already you are having two side number. 2 into 6 is 6 into 2. That also will not work, right? So why you no need to repeat till end also, if even half is enough. If you are saying only in even numbers, I can reduce more also. I'm not going there. As of now, what we need to do, we need to start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 13, till 12. What we'll do, we'll repeat it. We should not divided by that number. That's what our challenge, right? So that's called prime number. So how you can do that? By using code. Can anyone want to try? I want to identify whether the given number is a prime number or not. Right? I will take n as 53. Okay. I want to check whether it's a prime number or not. How I can do? Try now. You know the logic, right? You need to start from where? 2, right? Is equal to 2. Then till what number you need to do? Till I is equal to I less than 53n. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I plus plus, right? So now what I need to do? If n
Divided by 2, not divided.
not divide, how will write that? You are getting
Mod
new
I.
operators. Mod I,
N.
very good. Who is this?
Sana, sir.
Very good. See. No, mod I
Equal to 0.
equal to 0.
Then it's a prime number. Print it's a prime number. Oh,
See, I'm
sorry, sir.
appreciating you. You are doing mistakes.
No, sorry, sir. It's not a prime number.
So how I write the code? Here the complex thing will come, right? So you need to understand how I can prove that it's a prime number. See, I can write a code. I can explain, right? So why I'm asking you to think is like thinking in Java. You need to create a logical thinking, right? That's what the main important thing, right? So now in this case, how you can prove that it's a prime number if I'm saying not equal to 0 also. I will write int count is equal to 0. Okay.
In 35, it satisfies the countless one.
Satisfies it. Then count plus plus. Okay. Is it correct? Is it correct? He gone something, right? Somewhere, but still problem is there. We need to. Sana, you can correct it. If count greater than 1. Ashwa, why? I was expecting from you something. Okay, is it a right code? Josefa, I heard a lot
Sorry,
from you.
count is equal to 2, sir.
Huh?
Count is equal to 2.
Count is equal to 2.
Okay.
No. Srikanth, you missed a little part, a little initial part, right? So you are getting it.
No, sir. Actually, I was missing the part.
So what I did is like we discuss about a reminder first, right? So I will share you the recording. Okay.
Okay.
So don't, if you are
Sure,
missing
sir.
small part
Sure, sir.
also, it will cause issue.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this modulus is there, which will give us a reminder. Not and equal to equal. Exactly. This one is the logic. Okay. So what is a prime number? Prime number should not get divided by any other number, right? So what will happen is if in case, right, it is getting divided by any other number, then it will become 0. Means what? It is getting divided by some other number also. Then we are doing count plus plus. Then if count is getting increased means what? So it's a prime number or not? Okay, else I will write not a it's a prime, right? Now let's run it. It's a prime number. For example, if I'm adding 52, right? 52 is a prime number. It's a not a prime, right? It's simple logic. So what Modulus is doing here is it will identifying the remainder continuously. So wherever some number is it's getting divided means what? The remainder will be 0. If remainder is 0, I'm incrementing the value. But the best way is I would suggest go with Boolean instead of count. What I would have done is because it's a Umar's idea. If I have done how I will do is I will use Boolean is prime is equal to I will make it true. Here what I will do? I will make it false. Then I will use is prime. That's it. Right? This one is the way because I want only one value to be stored. Whether I need to check true or false. That's it, right? I no need to use the count. Yes or no? So then I will repeat it. Okay. So what will happen in this case? Let's take one small number and we'll do the loop. Okay. We'll go with the 17. Okay. So what we are doing? We're trying to run 17. I will be having debug point. So let's again repeat. I want Srikanth to be understand this question, right? So Srikanth, can you tell me what is prime number? Srikanth? Are you there? Srikanth? Okay, let's move. Okay, okay. So network issue. Voice is breaking. Okay. So anyone else is facing this problem from my side?
No, sir.
So I'm clear, right? Fazlu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are okay.
Maybe Srikanth is facing from his side because he's traveling. Okay, let's try to share the recording. Okay, so no problem. So now, so how it is running? Let's continue. Okay, so see here. Concentrate here, please. Okay, so at the debug point, let's try to run it slow one by one. How it will work? Okay, so how to debug? Can anyone guide? Debug as Java application, right? Now you can see slowly we'll move. We'll try to see how it is working. Okay, so now F6. So now what is the value of n? 17, right? Boolean initially I'm assuming as a true. Okay, failing I will make it false. Okay, so then what is the value of I now? Initially 2. Initial value of I is 2, right? N mod I is 0 or 1. So what is n mod I here? 1, right? So it's not equal to 0. It will go inside. It will go inside or not? No, it will go back. Loop, right? So it's failing. Then again it's repeating. Second time it's coming. What is the value of I? 3. 3 mod n mod 3. 17 mod 3. What is the value? Huh? 3 mod 17 mod 3. क्या आता भाई? Asif, what will come? देखो खर्चंग दो भाई 3515 का तो क्या आता सर हाँ हाँ రెండు okay so if you are having 2 is it equal to 0 no again it will go back again it will try 4 no it will not get divided 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 if it is not get divided so is prime is always true because it's not getting divided by any number, right? So now how many times I'm running? Till 17. Now it came down. What is the value of V is prime? True. Because it's not get dividing by anything, I'm not changing the value. So initial value, whatever is there, is prime is true. Then it will get inside it is spring. It's not a prime. It's a reverse. I need to reverse it. Okay. So I need to reverse it. It's a prime actually. So what I will do, I will just make it. It's a prime. Then it's not a prime. See how it is identifying the issues, right? So even I'm missing something, slow by slow, step by step when I'm going, I can identify what is the problem with this, right? So now restart. You can see again we'll run it. If you want, I don't want to breakpoint to be there. I just click this, it will run. This is a prime number. Okay. So I told you one thing, right? So if you want to reduce the size, I can use n by 2. So now loop will run lesser time, right? So it's fast when compared to previous one. I no need to check complete by divided by 2. I will get that. So even you can reduce, just try to use and try to reduce it if you can able to do. Okay. Any questions till here? I am a Java teacher, not a Max. So you no doubt tomorrow. No, you just try to get it. Okay. So what is the prime number definition?
And it not be
Again, why you are adding condition? You know it, right? So what is the smallest even prime?
even no prime, even.
2. क्या भाई क्या maximum So smallest prime number is
Second last 3.
okay. Okay, so smallest prime, the only even number in prime number is 2. Okay, so that you need to make sure that when you are printing, you need to print 2 also if I'm asking you to print it. Okay, so now any questions till now? To show what is the current value of loop. Oh, they did. I don't know. Okay,
How you did it?
F6.
We want to go to offline, how you did it?
Yes,
One by one.
correct. F6.
Go down, but.
No, loop will run continuously. It's a flow.
Okay,
It's a flow.
that loop only check.
Correct.
Ah,
It is not going back. It's repeating the loop.
it go with the F6, it will go.
Correct. Correct. So you cannot go back. Back is some other step. We'll discuss it later in future. Okay, how we can go method inside and come out. Any question till here? Now we are going to learn another concept which is called break and continue. So what do you mean by break?
Taking the promise. Taking the whole.
Breaking a something is called breaking, right? So you break up. Okay, breaking means, for example, continuously loop is running and I want to, so in this case, just consider like I took 74 as a prime number I started. So we divided by 2 itself, you know that it is a getting divided by 2. Do you need to continue till 72? You know that it's not a prime. Why you are repeating it? Right? So you don't need to continue the loop if you know the solution. For example, I said you to get the egg, right? So you went in first shop itself, you got egg with 10 rupees. You'll go continuously checking others, but here you are doing it. If you know or not, you are continuously, even it's false, you are aware. It's a true, you are aware, but still you are checking it continuously. That's useless. Yes or no? So to how to fix that? We need to apply break statement. Break statement will break the loop. It will not continue. Let's try to this, right? So now let me go back. Okay, so I will write a simple previous one. Don't go with for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 100, I plus plus, right? If I is equal to 10, I will say break. What I'm saying, if you're reaching 10, break, right? Then I will write here sys out I. So even though I'm trying to print 100, but I'm want it to break when I'm running it, you can see 0 to 9. Why? Because I'm saying if I is equal to 10, break it. Break means that loop will get broken. It will come out of that loop. Okay, it's called break. Another thing is called continue. Another keyword is called continue. What it will do is it will skip that particular part. What it will do? It will skip that part and it will continue. For example, if I'm writing continue, what will happen is it will not print a 10. If I'm running this, after 9, where is the 10?
7.
So what break will do? Break will come out of the loop. You got the egg. You're coming out, right? Because your condition, what purpose you went, you got it. So you don't need to continue, right? So you got the egg. Why again you will go? So break will break it. What continue will do is, like for example, you went there and you saw there is some, not a grocery shop, right? So there is a cool drink shop. There you cannot find eggs. What you will do? You skip it, right? you don't want to go there. You are wasting your time if you are going there, right? So what you will do, you will skip it and you will go to next. That's what this continue will do. It will skip that particular part and it will go next. For example, you saw like some carpenter shop is there. Do you ask for X? You can ask. They will say no, definitely you are aware, right? But it's useless. You are wasting your time there, right? You go to medical shop, then you are asking egg, right? They will give capsule and they will say, eat it. It is good for your brain, right? Yes or no, right? So somewhere you know that you don't need to check it. In that place, what you will do, you will use continue. Continue will not go and run the condition. It will go back to loop. It will skip that particular part. Break, what it will do? Your purpose is over. You don't need to continue, right? Then you can use the break. Okay. So another is that which will not use normally. There is one thing called exit. We call it as system.exit. So it's a dangerous thing. It's like you are going, for example, your school is there, right? So you're going for school, right? So suddenly, before reaching, there is a curfew. Right? What you will do? Right? So you will not enter even school and you will come out. So exit is a very serious. You will not 99% will use. But what it will do is it will not come out of loop. It will come out of your program itself. Okay, most of the cases 99.99999 will not use exit. We'll use break and continue in some cases, right? If you want to skip, you will use continue. If you want to break, you will use break, right? So now we'll come back to our prime numbers, right? So here also I know that this is not a prime, right? So I no need to repeat the loop. What I will do is I will write break here. What I will do? Break, because I am already, for example, 74 is there, 75 is there, just consider 75 is there. So I will try with 2. No, it will not get divided. I will try with 3. What will happen? 3 से divide होता नहीं. 75. What? 3 to 6, 3, 5, 15. Yeah, bhai. Okay. So you don't need to continue. You don't need to continue 4, 5. It will go divided by 5. You don't need to continue. You are having one divider. Then you don't need to continue. What you are doing here? Break. You already aware why you are trying all the things, right? It's useless time, right? So what you will do, you will break it. So break will help us to reduce the code and it will increase the performance. अब तुम लोग पूरा नेल्लूर पिल्ले को एक अंडा लाता हूँ, काम मिलेगा तो फर्स्ट की दुकान में मिल जाएगा तो क्या बोलते हैं? वहाँ मेडिकल शॉप नहीं रहा क्या पूछते? Right? So the logic, normally we'll do this mistakes in our programming. We'll write like this and we'll skip it. But always try to use in such a way that how much performance you can increase, right? How I can write a code which will increase the performance of the application. So in that case, you will use this type of links, break or continue. Okay, what is the meaning of break? It will break that loop. You need to remember there are multiple nested loops also there, right? It will break only that loop. Okay, continue will continue only that, skip only that loop. Okay. Well, a nested loop we'll discuss tomorrow because I don't want you to. Okay, so try to practice more. So now break is there, continue is there, right? So try to do some experiments. I will give you 10 to 20 homeworks in offline. I will share you only. So your responsibility to check whether everyone is doing or not. Okay. So any questions still here? That's what I want you to read it. Okay. So it's like the same as if. Okay. So it is having if and else ladder is there, right? So like that one. So try to use it. And I want you to read about character also. CHAR is there, right? Char, data type. Read about that one also. I'm not going to discuss it because we are not using it. We are not going to learn from it, right? But I want you to read about it. Okay? So any other questions? Today I told you few things to read, right? So what are those things? So all of you. आगे भाई seniors आगे तुम्हारे. Previously I asked you to read something, few things. No, not today only. OCBC. I said I forgot something. So anyone remember online or somewhere? I asked you to do something. I want you to read something. Conditional statement. Conditional statement. What is the purpose of conditional statement? What is switch case? Right? Theory and char data type. I want you to read about char data types. And now here in this, I want one program where I want to print. Let's do it tomorrow. Not now. Next nested for loops I will tell you. Okay. So any question? Any questions still here? So hope online people are still awake. So इसको किस तरह अच्छा ना कौन जवाब देते हैं ना No questions there. Fazlo,
Sir, no question. No, sir.
so sleeping or not?
No, no, sir. Not sleep.
Gemini?
No question, sir.
Huzaifa?
No question, sir.
Shoaib Bulale. Tamim? Sana?
No questions.
No question, sir.
Okay, we are good till now, right? So I can give 10 to 20 homeworks. Okay. So the main thing, see, class not at over. Okay. So the thing is like, see, when you are writing a code, you should feel comfortable, right? So how I'm writing. So I'm not having anything in my brain, right? Even you can see no compilation error when I'm writing code, right? So it's simple for me. Why? Because of practice. It's not like I'm very good, right? It's only based on practice. So I want you to practice more. Okay. So don't waste your time, but don't go advanced also. Whatever till now, whatever I'm saying, please make sure that you're practicing more. Okay. So if I'm asking you to open and code, you should write how I'm typing, right? So like that. So there are a few shortcuts which you need to understand, right? How I'm doing here is like public static void main. What is the shortcut? Main. If I'm going control space, it will give complete main method. How we can print a system.out.println?
SYSO.
Sy
SO.
sy
SO is.
control space, right? So like this, you can try shortcuts, right? So I'm happy. Initially, if you are starting today or tomorrow, 2-3 days, type it public static void main system.out.println. But once you're done, try to use this one also, no problem. Shortcuts also. Okay. Any other questions? We are good to close today. Okay. Thank you very much, team.